Hello, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Well, in today's video we're gonna prepare some oven baked potatoes, quite easy, and then in the next video we'll prepare a white sauce we're gonna top it with, and also a green sauce already in the channel. Yeah, so I will show you how to prepare that. Quite easy. You just need salt, olive foil, and olive oil, and that will do it. So I will show you, and so it's quite easy. You just need cut olive oil just like that. The potatoes, of course, pre-washed. You have to see that it looks nice. That's nice like this. The size is of course up to you. This middle side, there are bigger ones, and then you're gonna just pinch it a little bit, just like that. We're gonna repeat the procedure to all of them. Add a little bit of olive oil on top of each one. Just small massage, just like this, like you see. Yeah. So I'm back. I just washed my hands. Some salt on top of each one. And now you need to fold the alu foil, and it's very important that you try to fold it in a way you can easily be reopened. Yeah, just try to just like this, and you gotta push here down here, like you don't have air on it, just like you see. Yeah. And now we are ready to go. I will finish here and I will show you. Well, as I just showed you, I got my potatoes wrapped, salted, and painted with a little bit of olive oil. Now I got a preheated oven. I got it 160, but I will now put it on the 180 degrees, and then I will bake my potatoes for around 1 hour. Depends of the potato, will take much more longer, depending on how big the potato is, or how hard it is. Yeah, but you have to try it yourself at home. Yeah, just like that. Just now I will prepare the white cream sauce, and then we'll catch you in the next video. I'm gonna prepare a Greek yogurt sauce, fresh herbs, lemon zest, some spices together. It will be a wonderful way to top a salad or the potatoes I'm baking. So I will show you how I prepare it. Quite easy, quite simple, not a big deal, and just hope you like it. Just check it out. For our sauce, we're gonna start working with a 1:4 Quark and yogurt. I'm gonna use Quark. I'm gonna add 125 grams. There you are. Now yogurt, I will gonna make it until 500. This is a Greek yogurt. Here we are. This is all we need, and now we're gonna proceed just to mixing it together. Pretty well together. Now we're gonna add a little bit of oil, just to keep it rolling like this. Yeah, you see, it's getting quite creamy. There you go, it's getting quite creamy. But right now, let's proceed. I'm gonna chop this all, put it back here, make some zest. I got lemon, 2 lemons, but I'm gonna use only 1 or even the half of it. We're gonna just check it, but I need the peel of both, the zest of both, yeah? So, I will cut and be back. I will chop all these herbs and I will be back. I got fresh mint, fresh dill, fresh parslay, which I'm gonna cut. These are all from my garden, so they are quite fresh and flavoring, and also bring a lot of flavor. So now you're gonna just carefully just cut it as small as you can, because this is the idea of this sauce, that is, the herbs are quite very small, that you only have one, how will you say it, the consistency is very creamy, though we don't want to be too stocky there, yeah? So I'm gonna cut this very small and be back. So, as you may see, I got the spring onion, my herbs. Gonna bring it to my yogurt and quark mix. And now carefully, I need the zest, yeah? But carefully, because we only need the zest. Don't go too deep with the lemon. That's why I'm using 2. You just need this aroma and we don't need the bitterness of the white part of the lemon, yeah? You see, just go not too deep. With the zest, yeah? And now we're gonna just season it, let it rest and settle down the flavor for 10 minutes. We're gonna taste it again after 10-15 minutes to see if it need anything like sourness, salt, yeah? Just now, as I said, I'm gonna use half a lemon, only the half. You don't want to go too sour. We'll see afterwards how it is, yeah? But I season it with some salt. After that, we also will correct the salt, some pepper, we're gonna add some chili flakes. I got Korean smoked chili. And I got some long pepper, which we are gonna crush. Gonna add only a half at the beginning. Now crush it. Now I'm gonna add just half, the other one we'll keep it here. We'll mix it, let it rest 10 minutes and be back, okay? So after 10 minutes we can try our sauce. Look. And here's where we decide. Now we are on the safe side, we can add the second half of the lime, the rest of the long pepper. Yeah, we don't want to overspice at the beginning, otherwise we have to add more yogurt and stuff, and it's not that nice. Salt is definitely needed, and a little touch of pepper, and that will do our sauce.